Let's talk opportunity. One, my boyfriend sent me this picture. He was out paddleboarding, and I thought, can I paint this? I thought, why not find out? So that morning, I started to paint this, and actually liked it how it turned out. You let me know what you think. But back to opportunity. I've been thinking a lot about this, and I feel like it's going to be a repeating message for me. But I feel like saying yes to opportunities is a muscle. Last week, I did a pop-up art show in Denver, and normally I would say no to something like that. One, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of effort. You got to get everything together, put it in the car. I had to go from the Springs to Denver, and it's just a lot. I'd rather just sit and be on my couch. But I decided to say yes to opportunity. And my goal is to continue to say yes as opportunities arise, even though it's so much easier to say no. But it's a muscle, an opportunity muscle. And I feel like you just have to keep practicing it until saying yes becomes easier to say. Therefore, more opportunities come. So I'm excited to see how opportunities come my way. Wondering if you said yes to an opportunity lately that maybe you normally would have said no to, and what was the result? The pop-up was just fun, and I'm looking forward to do it again and saying yes to whatever opportunity comes my way.